Hey guys, Simon here. Just thought I'd give you a quick highlight of what our farm looks like. So I'm kind of standing in front of our office building, and so I'll give you a quick 360 to show you what this looks like. So over here you can see we've got 8 bins. My home farmhouse is over there. That's where I grew up. That's the entrance. That piece of equipment over there is a land roller, some vehicles. Mine's a dirty one by chance. That's our office building. Some more bins. That shed there is where we clean seed, and that's a scale. And then a couple more sheds and a grain truck. So basically that's our yard. I'll get into a few more things in a few other videos, but yeah, so hopefully you guys will enjoy the channel and keep tuning in. Thanks.